Hello students, now that we have made our fundamental strongs in solving the questions like solving the equations with two variables. So now let us try to do some more word problems. So now here we have the first question. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 by 2, 1/2 of it. If we only add 1 to the denominator, what is the fraction? So now here, what do we have to find? What is the fraction? So we have to find the fraction. So fraction is nothing but you have numerator and denominator. Let the numerator of the fraction be x and denominator of fraction be y. Y will never be equal to 0 because if denominator is 0, the answer becomes 0. So here you have original fraction is equal to x by y. Okay. So now what happens? According to the first condition, if we add 1 to the numerator. So what is the condition given to us here? If I add 1 to the numerator, that means numerator plus 1 divided by denominator minus 1, I get the answer as 1. Okay, so now the first equation I write x plus 1 divided by y minus 1 is equal to 1. So x plus 1 is equal to y minus 1, or this becomes x minus y is equal to minus 2. So this is my first equation. Now according to the second condition, what is the condition given to us here? Now here they say that it becomes 1/2, that is 1 by 2, if we add only 1 to the denominator. That means numerator as it is, denominator plus 1, the answer becomes 1 by 2. So taking x by y plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. So when you cross multiply, you get 2x is equal to y plus 1, or you can get the equation as 2x minus y is equal to 1. This is my second equation. Now you can solve this two equations by different methods. So let us do by the elimination method. It looks easy. X is equal to 3, you get it. Substituting x is equal to 3, we get the value of y, that is y is equal to 5. So x by y is equal to 3 by 5. So the required fraction is 3 by 5. So it was that easy. Now let us try to do the next question. The sum of the digits of two digit number is 9. Also, 9 times number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. So now here, what we need to find? We have to find a number, that is 2-digit number. What types of number? It is a 2-digit number like 10, 11, 12, etc. Okay, a 2-digit number consists of a digit in tens place and a digit in units place. So a 2-digit number can be written as 10 into digit in tens place and 1 into digit in unit place. For example, 25 can be written as 10 into 2 plus 1 into 5. So 10 into 2 gives me 20 and 1 into 5 gives me 5. That is 20 plus 5 is equal to 25. So let the digits in the tens place be x and the digit in the units place be y. So original number becomes 10x plus 5. Okay, so now number obtained by interchanging the digits, it becomes 10y plus x. Okay, so these are the two things that you have to keep in mind when you are going to solve this question. The question demands that the reversing the order, it becomes a different number. So now, according to the first condition, the sum of the digits of 2-digit number is 9. That means when I add x plus y, it becomes 9. Now according to the second condition, 9 times number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order. So 9 times the number, that is the original number, 9 times the original number, it becomes twice the number when I reverse it. So now when I solve it, it becomes 9x plus 9y is equal to 20y plus 20x. So when I equate this equation, I get the answer as 8x minus y is equal to 0, or now I'm going to take this as number 2. Now solving equation 1 and 2, so you have x is equal to 1. So when I get x is equal to 1, if I substitute in y, you get y is equal to 8. So the original number is 10x plus y. That means 10 into 1 plus 8. The answer is 18. So the required answer is 18. Next question. The difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them. So now we have to find the numbers. Let the two numbers be x and y. Okay, so according to the first condition, the difference between the two numbers is 26. So difference means I have to subtract, that is x minus y is equal to 26, and one number is 3 times more the other. So imagine one number, that is x is equal to 3 times means into, that is 3 into y. So I got x is equal to 3y. I directly substitute in the equation. Okay, I got the answer. So Now here it becomes 4y is equal to, sorry, 2y is equal to 26 or y is equal to 13, and now you substitute the value of y is equal to 13 in x, you get the x value as 39. So one number is 39, other number is 13. This is the answer. Next question. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator. If 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. So now we have to find the fraction. We know in fraction you have numerator and denominator. So let the numerator be x and let the denominator be y. So now according to the first condition, you have 2 is added to the numerator and denominator. The fraction becomes 9 by 11. So now when I cross multiply, you get 11x plus 22 is equal to 9y plus 18. So when you solve this, finally you get a simple equation that is equal to x is equal to 9. Okay, here I'm just trying to use the substitution method so that it becomes easy for me to solve the second equation. So now in the second condition, you have 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator. So x plus 3 divided by x plus y by x plus 3 divided by y plus 3 is equal to 5 by 6. So when I cross multiply, I get 6x plus 18 plus 5y plus 15. So when I solve this equation, I get a linear equation that is 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. Now I have already taken the value of x, so that I am going to substitute here. So you have 9y minus 4 by 11 minus 5y is equal to minus 3. So when I solve this, you get 54y minus 24 divided by 11 minus 5y is equal to minus 3. Okay, so now you have to find the value of y. It's a simple calculation. So when you do this, you get the value of y as y is equal to 9. Okay, so when you get the y is equal to 9, you have to substitute in x. So you get x value as 7. So x is equal to 7. So the required fraction is 7 by 9. So this is the answer. 7 by 9 is the required fraction. Next, a fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator, and it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. Find the fraction. So look at this now. We don't know the numerator and denominator of a fraction. So let the numerator be x and let the denominator be y. So the original fraction is x by y. According to the first condition, a fraction becomes 1 by 3. That means x by y is equal to 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator, that is x minus 1. And so I'll try to find the first equation. 3x minus 3 is equal to y. So y is equal to 3x minus 3. I keep this in my mind so that I can substitute this value of y in the second equation. Now according to the second condition, it becomes 1/4 when 8 is added to the denominator. So x by y plus 8 gives me 1 by 4. So when I cross multiply, it becomes 4x is equal to y plus 8. Now I already have the value of y, so I directly substitute here. So 3x minus 3 plus 8. So here it becomes 4x minus 3x is equal to minus 3 plus 8. So x is equal to 5. Once you get the value of x is equal to 5, you have to substitute that value in y. So y is equal to 15 minus 3, that is equal to 12. Okay, so here the required fraction is 5 by 12. That's easy. We'll move on to the next question. So here you have two numbers are in the ratio 3:4. If 4 is added to each number, the ratio becomes 4:5. Find the numbers. Okay, so now what do we have here? Here we have the ratio 3:4. Let the two numbers be x and y. So you get the first condition. The ratio means something upon something. So that means x by y is equal to 3 by 4. So here when 4 is added to each number, that means, okay, so here this is the first equation which I get, and x plus 4 by y plus 4, the ratio becomes 4 by 5. So when I try to solve the equation, you get the values as 5x minus 4y is equal to minus 4. So now I am going to solve these two equations. First, in this sum, we will have to either make the coefficient of x same or y same. That means I am going to find with the elimination method. So in this sum, we will make the coefficient of y same. To make the coefficient of y same, we will have to multiply equation 1 by 4 and equation 2 by 3. So now multiplying equation 1 by 4, you get 16x minus 12y is equal to 0. And now you have multiplying second equation by 3, 15x minus 12y is equal to minus 12. So now after that you have to check whether the coordinates or the numbers, the constants in front of the variables, coefficients are same or equal, or they have the same sign or the different sign. So observe the equation number 3 and 4. So you can see the signs are same or different. If the signs are same, we have to subtract, and if the signs are different, we have to add. So now here we will have to subtract these two equations. So what happens? I'm going to change the sign. Okay, so 12y and 12y gets cancelled. So 16x minus 15x is equal to x, and you get the value of x is equal to 12. Okay, so when you get the x is equal to 12, you have to find the value of y by substituting in any of the equations. So you get y is equal to 16. So the two numbers are 12 and 16. Next, two numbers are in the ratio 5:6. If 8 is subtracted to each number, the ratio becomes 4:5. Find the numbers. So what do we need to find here now? We have to find the two numbers. Let the first number be x and let the next number be y. So as per the given condition, two numbers are in the ratio 5:6. So by cross multiplying, we get 6x is equal to 5y, or 6x minus 5y is equal to 0. So now as per the second condition, x minus 8 by y minus 8, when I subtract 8 from both numerator and denominator, you get 4/5. So now here when I cross multiply, you get a common equation, that is 5x minus 4y is equal to 8. Let us take this as equation number 2. So now we have to solve by different methods: elimination, cross multiplication, or graphical method, anything. So now we have to eliminate some values of x or y. So I'm going to multiply the first equation by 4 and the second equation by 5. Okay, so now multiplying this, you get 24x minus 20y is equal to 0. And the second equation, when I multiply by 5, you get 25x minus 20y is equal to 0. So now here I have to solve the third and the fourth equation. And now if the signs are same and different, I have to add and subtract accordingly. So now I'm going to subtract equation 3 and 4. So 25x minus 20y is equal to 40. 24x minus 20y is equal to 0. So 20y and 20y gets cancelled, and you get x is equal to 4. Now you have to substitute the value of x is equal to 40, that is 40, into y, and you get the answer as 48. So the two numbers are 40 and 48. Next, moving ahead, the sum of the numerator and denominator of a fraction is 15. The denominator is 3 more than twice the numerator. Determine the fraction. So now here, what do we need to find? We need to find the fraction, that means x by y. So fraction is numerator upon denominator. Since we don't know the numerator and denominator, we have to take that as x and y. So now this is numerator, denominator and fraction, x and y, and fraction is x by y. As per the first condition, I have numerator and denominator as fraction 15. Okay, so here you have sum of the numerator and denominator. So x plus y is equal to 15. Okay, this I get it 15. Next you have, as per the second condition, denominator is 3 more than twice the numerator. So y is equal to 3 more than twice the numerator, so to 2x. So you got the value of y here. You can substitute there and you can find the answer. So the final answer of x and y will be x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 11. So the fraction will be 4 by 11. So this is how you are going to solve the numerical problems. Now let us try to do the next question. The sum of the numerator and denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice the numerator. If the numerator and denominator are increased by 3, they are in the ratio 2:3. Determine the fraction. So what do we find here? We have to find the fraction. Now in fraction we have numerator and denominator, so that is x by y. So what I am going to do? So let the numerator be x and denominator be y. The fraction will become x by y. According to the first condition, the sum of the numerator and denominator of a fraction is 4 more than. So sum, that means add. Okay, so numerator and denominator, when I add, it is equal to 4 more than. Okay, 4 more than twice the numerator, that is 2x. So when I solve this, I get minus x plus y is equal to 4, or y is equal to x plus 4. Okay, so this is the first equation. Now according to the second condition, if numerator and denominator is increased by 3, they are in the ratio 2:3. That means x plus 3 by y plus 3 is equal to 2 by 3. So when I cross multiply and find the answer, a simple equation, I get the simple equation as 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 3. Now you already have the value of y. You can substitute that in the second equation and you can find the answer. So finally, you can do with different methods. Need not necessary that what method I am trying to find it here. You can do by elimination method or substitution method. So whichever method you find it easy. Okay, so here the y value will be 9 and x value will be 5. So answer is 5 by 9. So in this way, we'll proceed. Next question. A 2-digit number is 3 more than 4 times the sum of its digit. If 18 is added to the number, then the digits are reverse. Find the number. So now you have to find the number. So now let us try to do it now here. This is 45, 2-digit number. Imagine 4 and 5. This is tens and units place. So tens place can be written as 10 into 4 plus 1 into 5, that is 40 plus 5, that is 45. So in the same way, the 2-digit number has 2 parts, and digit in tens place, digits in units place. Okay. So now what happens? Let the digits in tens place be x and the digit in unit place be y. So for a 2-digit number, the digit at the tens place is multiplied by 10 and unit place by 1. So this becomes 10x and y. Okay, so 2-digit number is 10x plus y. As per the first condition, 2-digit number is 3 more than 4 times the sum of its digit. That means this is the number is equal to 3 more than, that means add 4 times. Okay, 4 times means 4 into sum of its digit. That means x plus y. So when I simplify this, okay, I get the answer as 2x minus y is equal to 1. So this is the first condition. I get the first equation. Okay. Now next, 18 is added to the new number, the digits are reverse. That means if I add, okay, the numbers get reverse, this get reverse when I add, okay, look at this, the numbers get reverse when I add 18. So what happens here? 10y plus x, okay, plus 18, this is equal to 10y plus x. Okay, so this is the equation. Now when I solve this equation, you get x minus y is equal to minus 2. Now you have 2 equations in front of you. You can solve by any methods. Okay, elimination, substitution, cross multiplication, whichever you find it easy. And now the answer of x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 5 or y is equal to 5. So the fraction, the number here it is 10x plus y, that is 30 plus 5 is equal to 35. So this is the original number. So this is a kind of a question for you as a homework. Try to solve this question and comment me the answer in the comment section. I'll get back to you if the answers are right. If you have any doubts, if you still cannot do it, I can get back to you in the next video. Thank you. We'll see in the next video.